Hey everyone, today we're comparing Coda and Notion, so two of the most powerful all-in-one productivity platforms out there. If you're trying to figure out which one fits your workflow better, stick around. This breakdown covers everything from features to real-world use cases, so let's dive in. So, let's go with interface and ease of use. So, let's compare Notion and Coda. So, start with Notion first. So, Notion, as you can see here, it's very clean, minimalist, and extremely intuitive. Great for new users. And Coda, more structured with the focus on data-driven docs, can feel more technical but powerful. So my verdict here is that Notion wins for simplicity and onboarding, and Coda appeals more to builders who want functionality beyond writing. So we have document structure. Let's move on to this. So document structure. Let's start with Coda. So Coda uses docs inside of docs. So we're just gonna show. I'm gonna showcase it to you. We're just gonna click it here, as you see here. You can like put it inside of a page and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool. So and Notion has a page-based hierarchy, as you see here. It's similar to how a folder works, or how you know in code. What's underneath of a certain code. So that's pretty cool. It's a hierarchy thing. So in terms of document structure, Notion is better for me and for content knowledge bases. And Code is better for project systems and functional tools. Now let's move on to database and table functionality. So Notion tables are visually pleasing and simple to use, offers linked databases with limited formulas. Now, and Coda acts more like a relational database. You can use formulas, buttons, logic like in a spreadsheet or app. And my verdict here is that Coda is pretty good. Coda wins if you need, serious data handling, and Notion is more user friendly, but it's less advanced, so that's pretty cool. Now, wait, let's move on to automation and buttons. So, Notion has limited automation. It does have Notion AI. You can use this for automation also. So sometimes you do need tools like Zapier, but Coda has a built-in automation here. There's like an insert template, building block packs, and import and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. There's also, my verdict is called Coda dominates in automation and interactivity, and integration packs versus embeds. Notion supports a lot of Confluence, Quip, Notion, Notion himself, Google Docs, Trello, or Table. So it's pretty good. And has improved integration over time. So that's pretty cool. And Notion supports a lot of those too, so it's pretty good. There's also templates here, so it's pretty nice. So I think here Coda offers more here, more powerful integration. Well, Notion is better for beginners, so that's pretty cool. And use cases, Notion is great for creators, writers, note takers, and knowledge management. And Coda is best for operation, project management, and stuff like that, for dashboard or internal tools. Now let's move on to pricing. So Notion has a free tier, which is very generous. Paid plans start at $10 a month. Coda has a free plan, but advanced features like automation or packs are locked behind pro and team tiers. So let's go led to the conclusion. So which one should you choose? Choose Notion if you prioritize content, notes, wikis, or personal productivity. If you want a clean workspace with minimal setup. And choose Coda if you need powerful databases, automation, and interactive docs, or if you're replacing spreadsheet or building internal tools. So wonderful tutorial in either tools. Just let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more productivity tool and breakdowns. So I'll see you guys in the next one.